Hi, I'm Steve at Kersey Mobility. We are the only vendor in the Washington State that supplies the Vantage Mobility International conversion and the Braun Ability conversions. This particular model here is a side entry new conversion on a Dodge chassis. I'd like to show you how this operates. Very simple. Hit the power door lock, opens up the door. Power, you have a power fold out ramp. Again, you hit the remote, the ramp unfolds. At this time, the client enters the vehicle. This does have a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty on the conversion. Again, this is a very well-priced vehicle. New conversion. Front seat passenger position is removable. Allows your client to be up near their spouse, or they may be secured in the midship of the vehicle. Again, this here particular van is VMI, and we are located in Sumner, Redmond, and Everett, Washington. Thank you very much.